I will now be discussing how to treat that stiffness of the hips, especially in the movement which is called internal rotation. This is the movement that we talked about. It's critical for a golfer to be able to have a great range of movement in internal rotation to decrease the load through your back, but also to help generate force into the golf ball. So you're going to be in this position. You're going to be reclined back a little bit, chest tall. My body is staying forward. I'm trying to keep my right hip down in this position. When my knees are going to the left, I'm working on my right hip internal rotation and my left hip external rotation. We're going to hold that position. Ideally, you want to try to get this right knee and the outside of the left knee to the ground without cocking your body to where you're having to lift your butt off the floor. Okay, your butt's going to be off the floor a little bit, but we want to be able to feel a stretch around the outside of that right hip in this circumstance, and then we're going to windshield wiper the feet to the other side. The front foot is in front, or rather the right foot is in front in this circumstance. The left foot is out and behind, and now we're doing the same thing. We're trying to put the outside of our knee down onto the floor. We're going to be feeling that stretching here. If you're feeling some stretching in the groin, try to modify your position a little bit. Recline back a little bit more, move the feet maybe out a little bit, or move the feet in. Just finagle the position until you feel it on the outside of the hip. We're going to hold that stretch position for about 20 seconds to the right, 20 seconds to the left. I would repeat that 8 times alternating. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, holding 20 seconds on each side. That will help improve your hip mobility and help you play better golf.